For this part, we're going to wind up our arms. So we're going to go over your head. You're going to take them to the left and to the front, around and hit, and you're going to put your left heel forward. Then you're going to reverse it, around, hit, right heel forward, around, hit, around, hit. You're going to do that 4 times. All together, you go step, hit, step, hit, step, hit, step, hit. Then you're going to do your 2-step again, but this time your arms are going to be flexed at your wrists, and you're going to look down your hand. You're going to step, step, and reverse it. Arms go the other way. Step, step. Then you're going to do the twist, okay? Most of you will probably already know this. You're going to shake, shake, shake. Left leg goes up. Shake, shake, shake. Right leg goes up. Shake, shake, shake. Left leg up. Shake, shake, shake. Right leg up. So it looks like this all together. Ready? Take it around, heel, around, heel, around, heel, around, heel. 2-step once and twice. This is fast, 2, 3, up. Fast, 2, 3, up.